Hello and welcome to our channel where we explore the power of PowerPoint. In this video, we are going to take a closer look at one of the most useful features in PowerPoint, SmartArt. SmartArt is a powerful tool in PowerPoint that allows you to create professional looking diagrams and flowcharts with ease. It's a great way to visualize complex idea and data in a way that's easy to understand. Here I already opened a PowerPoint. You can see this is the blank PowerPoint. Before that, I'm gonna take out the text box. Here you can see the two text boxes here. Click to add title, and then next one is click to add subtitle. So I'm gonna take out, click on that and use the keyboard delete. The next one same, I'll do the delete. Then in here in the blank you cannot see anything in here, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the insert tab, and the insert tab, there's the three groups like slides, table, images, illustrations, add-ins, links, comment, text, symbol and media. In that group there's also illustrations group. There it's about SmartArt. Insert a SmartArt graphic to visually communicate information. SmartArt graphics range from graphical slides and process diagrams to more complex graphics such as Venn diagrams and organization chart. You can use from here. So I'm gonna do click on the SmartArt. When I click in the SmartArt, it come with the box. It says choose a SmartArt graphic. Here you can see here the some SmartArt graphic, and now it's selected to all. It means under the all you can find the list, process, cycle, hierarchy, relationship, matrix, pyramids, and like some the pictures in there. So from here you can choose the SmartArt and you can use for your presentation. So what I'm gonna do, if I select the list, you can see here this is the list SmartArt, and when I click in the process, you can see this is the process, and if I click on the cycle, you can see as a circle, this is the cycle SmartArt. So and hierarchy you can use amaze, and relationship you can also find there the SmartArt graphic, and matrix, amaze, and pyramid also you can find, and pictures also you can use from here. And you can also find the more SmartArt from office.com. When you hit on here and click on the OK, then it will come up from the office.com. Okay, for now I'm going to use the simple one. For example, when I click on the list, then you can see here is come up the some basic list, like it say used to show non-sequential or grouped block of information, minimize both horizontal and vertical display space for shapes. So for now I'm just use for example, if I click on the this one picture caption list, then now you can see this is the SmartArt. Here just you can edit the text and you can edit the picture also. So let's try with one, like if I say this is about, if I edit the text, click on that and use the cat, and if I say dog, and if I say cow, and let's see if I see the bird. Okay, this is the kind of SmartArt. Then what I'm gonna do, I just use click over the pictures icon. When I hit on the picture icon, let's see, it say insert pictures. So you can insert the pictures from a file. It means browse file on your computer or local network. If do you have the picture, so you can choose from there. Then there is also stock images, unless you are imagation with premier content from the stock image library. And there's also online picture search image from online source like Bing, Flickr, or OneDrive or Google. You can also find from there. Then next one from icon you can use. For now I'm going to use online pictures. Then hit on the online pictures. Here I'll try to find out for my pictures. So I write for the, like if I say cat, Let's see, hit on the insert, and you can see now here's the few cats pictures. So I'm gonna select one from them. Like if I select the one and hit on the insert, now you can see this is the pictures. Then same as you can do, hit on here and use the online pictures and type doc and press enter and use one of them. Like if I chose the one and click on the insert, now you can see it's coming here. Same as I can do for cow. Go to again, say cow, click on the enter and select one from them. For now I'm chose the one and insert. Then I'm gonna use the bird, then choose what kind of pictures do you want, insert. Yeah, now you can see this is the kind of the smart art. So you can see in your presentation you can just easily do it rather than insert from the pictures or photo album. So it's very easy to do with the smart art. Okay, then next what I'm gonna do, just when I click box, then here it say type your text here, you can just edit here, it will change. Okay, so it means picture captions, so it's about the captions, the page cat, so you can use of them. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use to design it. So how can I do it? Just click over there and you can use change the color, and here you can now see that, so it's come up the color. If I say the one, it change the color, but it doesn't show up any color because already it has the pictures. But you can change the smart art. So how can you do that? Just click on here and use the 3D or whatever you want. Like here it's come up like this. If I use the one, so now you can see it's how easy to do with smart art to your presentation. So okay, let's go to the another slide. Click on new slide, and then here you can found the also the box. I am gonna take out the one, and in there you can see there is also insert a smart art. So click on that, and for now I'm just using the little bit one. Click on that. Okay, then if I say, you can just type in the text and it will change. Like if I say about something like same as dog, and if I say cat, so when I typing in here it's changing to here. Okay, let's see cow. If I say cow, then if I say the bird, so it changed the bird. Okay, then click on the here, then you can now see this is the kind of the chart, and just is very easy to customize it. So how can you do it? Just click on the here, then go to the smart design and change the color here. Now you can see it's changing the color. Okay, if I select the one, so now you can see it changed the color, and click on here, then you can just resize it. So how easy it, because when you do with the insert and with the shape, so it takes the time to do it, but with the smart art is very quickly and very fast to do, make a presentation in the slide. So you can just easily customize it by one. So if you want to change this color like the cat one, go to here and use the specific color in here. If I select the one, now you can see this is the change, and same you can do with the format. Go to the save file and use the different color if you want. Okay, and same as you can just do the font. So how can you do that? Just select the font and go to the font style in here, and you can change, customize the font style. So if you want different one here like this one, and if I do like this, so you can change very easily, and you can change also the color. Okay, and there are some options is about the shape outline. If you want to use the outline, so you can use from here. So select, and you can now see this is the outline. And but if you don't used to use, just go to the no outline. Okay, so it's very fast and very easily you can do. Okay, Now if you thinking you need another shape like the rectangle shape, so how can you do it? Just click on it, and there in the smart design you can see there is about the add shape, so click on that. Now you can see there's also the shape, same as you can do just the add shape, it's come up with the shape. Okay, just you can customize it. And then how can you move it? Just click on that and right click and just cut it. Now it's gone. You can do for the one, right click and cut it, and it can be removed. Okay, for now I'm doing this, then same I'll do, just go to again and add shape, and you can now see this is the, and I'm gonna change the shape fill, go to here and use the, like if I select this one, now you can see, and you can also use the another text, just click on here and use the text if you want elephant. Now you can see here, and in here you can see also there is nothing, so you can use more text, like if I say sample, so here you can see this is the simple, and you can also customize the color. Okay, then what I'm gonna do, I'm using the layout, and from here layout you can see the different layouts. So how do you want to use, like it's now the basic block list. So when I click on here you can now see this is the change, and when I click on here you can now see this is the different one, and this is the lined list, and this is the kind of, okay, this you can just choose up from them and you can use for your presentation. Then when I click on here, just you can see now it's changed, and you can also use the picture of them if you want to use, but I'm not gonna use for now, just I'm using the simple one. Like if I say this one, now you can see this is the different style, and this is the like the smart design. Okay, then you can also use the text smart style just for 3D, whatever you want to use, just click on here and you can choose up from them and use for your presentation. Okay, let's see this here on, and you can also change the color, like if you want the different color, it's come up the this color, and you can also use the specific change color, just format and go to the shape field, and it can be change the color. Okay, for now I don't want to use the one here, so it's very easy to do with the smart graphic. Then let's see if you want to use the one, so you can come up like this, so it's very easy to do with the style or different style. Okay, like if I like this one, let's see it's changed, and if I do with the style like 3D style, let's see. So then click over there, and also you can use the text pen, click on here, this on the text pen, you can edit the text or customize the text. Okay, and if you want to take this one to move somewhere or up or down, just click on that and you can just move, say the move, so it take to up, and if you use the one to move down, so it's come up the down. So just click on the over there and move up or move down, you can use from there. Okay, let's start with another slide. Click on the slide and take out the text box, then go to the insert and SmartArt, and if I use the circle one, how it will give me, if I say this circle and select this one, or I can use this one, just you can customize the text, click on here, and also you can use how it come, like if I say water, then if I say ice, just this is the example, melt I can just say, and you can just take out, if you want to take out this, just right click and do the car. Now you can see this is the circle one, so how do you want, and you can write here the evaporate or like this, just this is the sample there, or this you can see this is the example. Okay, and you can also customize your design if you want to more design, just click on over here and you can see this is the kind of, or you can use this whatever you want for your the circle arrows process, or you can use the one whatever you want for your presentation. Okay, if I set this one, and if you want to customize it, so it will come up like this, the 3D or the different whatever. Okay, then color, then what I'm gonna do, just resize it, then click over there. So what I'm gonna do, go to the shape format, and you can use the different shape style or outline if you want to use. Same as you can do for the other layout or other style. Just go to the insert and go to the SmartArt and choose from them whatever you want. Like if I select this one, so it's come up like this is the pictures organization. So if I select this one, and what I'm gonna do before that, I'm gonna take out the previous one. So here, just click over there and just delete it. Go to again insert, SmartArt, RAC, and select one of them. Okay, you can say this is the director, and you can text this one for the admin, under the admin. So you can say the supervisor, or I can just say like this, and you can see the different one you can use. Like if I say sample, okay, and you can also finance department, finance, and whatever you want, you can just use it. And if you want to more, so here the like the relationship, so how can you do that? Just click over here and just use add shape. And where do you want to use add shape before, add shape after? So where do you want to use? If I click add a shape after the selected, so it will come up like this. Let's see. So it's come up here. And if I want to use before, then now see it's now here. And also you can use there the another one like add, and if I say the above, so it's take up the above. So it's very easy with the SmartArt for your organization to show up your any presentation for attractive PowerPoint. So whether you are creating a simple list or a complex flowcharts, SmartArt is a powerful tool in PowerPoint that can help you bring your ideas to life. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to make the most of PowerPoint.